up guys, welcome back to the channel. So for some reason I'm gonna go drive his car and then he's gonna drive mine, but we are getting close to Mustang week, so it'll be pretty sick heading out that way. But for some reason I'm gonna be driving this, so I'll give you guys like a little bit of a different POV. I am pretty stoked though, because I haven't heard my car from the outside since I put the X pipe on. It is funny though, because I did let him drive it around really quick, just to see, because like the difference, obviously, if you go from like an S550 to a new Edge, obviously you know it's like a totally different car. And it was funny though watching him like trying to drive that. I mean, he can drive and everything, it's just it's been a minute since he's drove something older, and he's so used to all the assist stuff. And I'm not gonna lie, man, it's taken me a second to get used to this too, because man, it's just so much different, so much technology that's just going into it to helping you. Oh, it sounds good too. I don't even know if you guys can even hear that though. One thing I still don't like about S550s is like, they did kind of fix the cup holder placement, but I still feel like it gets in the way. Also, he is getting his radio. I think it's supposed to come in Saturday, so hopefully he'll have all that stuff fixed before Mustang week. I don't know if you guys watched that one video, but he bought it from the dealership without it because it was some kind of like sync or something. I don't know, something was broke on it, but they were trying to program it, and I think they might have bricked the head unit. I'm not exactly sure, but they obviously ended up working that out with them at the dealership, and everything was, I guess, worked out. But it is still kind of annoying because he's had the car for like a few months and hasn't even had a radio, which would suck because I don't know if you guys can see. There's a speaker behind me, but he's been using that for his music. I think it sounds so good. Oh my god. Sad thing is he's probably like full throttle too. Dude, this thing is loud. That thing looks so good, dude. This makes me like not want to sell it. He's definitely full throttle. That's so funny. See, this is like a really hard video to make because I want an S550, and I was actually considering selling that for one, but like looking at it right here, it makes me not want to sell it because it just looks so good and it sounds so good. And I always get comments like people trying to buy and stuff, so it's kind of like a full circle moment. It's a little bit different. I kind of want to hit like a second gear in this thing if I can. So quick. These Broombos are so touchy. Just texting him to try to rev it up because I was wanting to try to hear it, because I never hear it from. Dang, dude, that thing sounds so sick. I don't even know if you guys can even pick that up. Dang. Oh my goodness. Wow. So you guys can even hear it. This clutch is so easy. Full throttle, I know it is. That sucks, dude. That's so funny. It sounds so good, it looks so good though, so I can't really be mad. But that's hilarious. Alright, he said that wasn't exactly full throttle, but it's kind of a little bit straight up here, so I'm gonna tell him to go full throttle. That thing's like so slow. I want to like hear it, but I also want to see how like easy it is just for this thing to keep up to that car. I think he's about to do it because I think it's going to get straighter right here though. Why's he got like the heat on in this thing, dude? So sad. I mean, I'm in third gear, like 3,000 RPMs, and it's like nothing. Dude, I'm like dying. This is so much different, but it looks so good and sounds good. Like I said, I can't complain. I mean, as sad as it is, like I'm kind of falling more in love with the thing. Just being able to see it because it's just so sick. I hate these auto rev matches. I'm not gonna lie. Like it's nice at sometimes, but it also sucks because if I'm just trying to go slow into the gear. Road to be doing it on though, because it's a little bumpy. Thing looks so good. Do like a little Chinese fire drill. I think we're about to switch cars back. I don't really know why I drove this and why he was driving that, but just because, I guess. It's a little bit different. I mean, it's totally two different experiences because obviously one's a brand new car and one's a car that's 20 years old. But yeah, I think we're about to switch. Pretty sick house. Well, we're now back in my car, but it's a totally different car. It's just so funny going from that to this. Dude, it's sad. And the difference is just like so crazy. I don't really know where I'm going either, but I'm trying to get somewhere back. He said he feels like he can sit back and relax now. It's funny. I don't even know if I'm ready to drive this dang car. Car is so different. I just feel like so uncomfortable now. Sometimes get tired of like POV drives, but realistically this is just like what I do throughout the day, so I like to film my day. So I mean, if I'm going for a drive, I mean I don't film everything I do obviously, but I do think like sometimes this is like a cool concept, like just being able to switch cars. It's crazy that, oh god, it's a big bump. It's crazy because this clutch is like so much of a shorter throw, and it doesn't have as much travel as those cars. So like, whenever I press in a clutch, I feel like I'm going like through the wall. So yeah. All right, so I guess that's pretty much gonna be the end of today's video. I know it was kind of different, just me driving his car, and I thought it was pretty cool. I mean, I had a lot of fun. It was just a different video, a little bit different of a POV. Let me know what you guys think about this video, if you guys want more content like this. And I guess other than that, I guess make sure to drop a like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. I'm gonna try to hit 1,700 subscribers before Mustang week. I think I'm like 11 away or something, so hopefully I can actually do that. But other than that, I guess pretty soon I'll be getting ready for Mustang week and getting all that prep done. I did just do some license plate lights. I just replaced those because they were out, which I never even knew that. Just got that in the mail today, and I went ahead and replaced those just because I know the way that like Myrtle Beach cops are. Usually whenever Mustang week people are down there, they're gonna really try to tie down on everything. So I figured I'm not wanting to take a risk of getting a ticket just because my license plate lights are out. Plus I have like the tinted cover, so it's technically darker. So that's just another thing that they would probably complain about, is just not being able to see it. Went ahead and replaced that. I did get new housings for it, but those aren't gonna be here until next Thursday. And honestly, I don't even know if I'm gonna replace them. One of the sides are a little more yellow just because it's still from '01 whenever they built the car. But who knows what I'll do. I mean, I may replace it, may not. But I guess other than that, that is pretty much the last little prep that I gotta do other than wash the car. Just give it a nice detail. So I guess let me know what you guys are driving down there, and hopefully I'll see you guys down there. And other than that, I guess I'll catch you guys in the next one.